Okay, it's time to fork, and like always, we're going to use the. Ah, come on, guys. Look, let me say this before we start. Those of you who were asking for me all the time, come on, guys. Couldn't you let me continue on vacation? I was chilling, and you had to continue calling me, so I had to come back to work. But here we are, playing against the Birds opening. I don't know who plays that bad opening, but here we are. This is how I play it. Notice that I'm not using any of the openings recommended by the other guy because against this bad opening I just play however I want. Now seriously guys, at this point I need to follow my pawn chain. Look at my pawn chain aiming at the queen side. I should be playing there because I have more space. Now like always, that means they're going to be attacking on the king side, and if they're successful, we're going to get checkmated. So we need to be very careful. And then, of course, we need to target the pawn in front of our most forward pawn. So we need to target their c3 pawn, and we are going to do it by playing before, but we have to play it at the right time. Now, of course, they know before is coming, so they strike the center. And now I'm happy to take that bishop. My knight replaces that other knight. So I don't think we're gonna get checkmated on. I don't think we're gonna get checkmated. Okay, is it time to play b4? Now, if I play b4, their knight could take on c4. So let's do rook c7. Now I know they want to get to f7, but as long as I have my knight on f6, we should be okay. Nah, let me just put it. Oof, I think, I think I just fell for a fork. Yep, yep, yep. Yep, they saw it. So my opponent knows what he's doing. And now we have to make. The last thing I want is to simplify the game. I'm going to be down material, so let me at least keep the queen on the board and try to complicate the game. At least if I take on c3, I get a pass pawn. So let's see what they're going to do. Okay, my opponent is going for the kill. Now, do I really care about f7? No. I have the bishop defending g7, so we cannot just play mechanically. Be careful with those tactics. And now, I think I'm just gonna go... I think queen d3, and I'm hitting their rook. Their back rank is weak, and of course, my pass pawn could get me back in the game. All right, so I think this is a blunder, and we got our first win. Okay, guys, nice to come back with a win. And with that said, I will see you on game number